Hasher, Did Species Evolve? By Xuefeng. Let's examine whether the theory of evolution, as championed by Darwin and his followers, holds water. When we completely reject the theories of the Big Bang and the accidental emergence of life from water, it becomes clear that the foundation of evolutionary theory is like a castle in the air. Without the birth of life, how can there be evolution? Without a chicken, where does the egg come from? Without an egg, where does the chicken come from? Similarly, proteins depend on DNA to form, and without prior proteins, DNA cannot form. So, which came first, the protein or the DNA? The core contents of evolutionary theory are as follows. 1. There must be at least one or several living organisms for evolution to occur. 2. These one or several life forms evolved into the diverse life forms on Earth today. 3. Evolution results from heredity, variation, and natural selection. 4. Evolution develops according to the logic of survival of the fittest. The weak are eliminated and the strong survive. 5. When a species cannot adapt to its environment, or the environment is unsuitable for its continued existence, it evolves into another species. 6. Due to fierce competition and the survival of the fittest, weaker species are naturally eliminated, leaving only the strong. In other words, lower forms gradually die out and higher forms gradually emerge. Based on these points, we can deduce the following outcomes. A. Earthworms, flies, turtles, dung beetles, cobras, dogs, and humans all come from the same ancestor. B. Dinosaurs, due to ecological deterioration, evolved into humans to ensure their species' survival, while others evolved into lions and wolves. C. Since weaker species are inevitably eliminated, all insects relative to birds are weak and would have evolved into birds or animals stronger than birds. Herbivores, compared to carnivores, would evolve into carnivores to survive. Similarly, carnivores relative to humans are weak and would have evolved into humans. D. The ultimate outcome of survival of the fittest is that all insects and animals would eventually evolve into humans. E. For humans, due to survival of the fittest, humans must constantly plunder and kill each other to survive. Strong nations must eliminate weaker nations to remain undefeated. F. All historical wars of plunder and killing align with evolutionary theory. G. All kindness is cruelty to one's own race. All cruelty is kindness to one's own race. H. Regardless of burning, killing, looting, or deceit, any means that eliminates the weak and strengthens oneself is correct. I. Therefore, Hitler's actions were 100% correct. J. Humans will continue to evolve, eventually growing wings on their backs, eyes on the back of their heads, and the ability to spew smoke and fire and shoot lasers from their eyes. There is no need to further analyze. From these 10 outcomes, we can judge whether evolutionary theory holds. When we notice that each generation of humans is more intelligent and capable than the last, we might assume that humans are evolving. However, this increased intelligence and capability entirely depend on accumulated human knowledge, and the essence of human life has not fundamentally changed since ancient times. The genetic makeup of humans hasn't changed. Our ancestors had 2 eyes, and so do we. Their blood was red, and so is ours. We haven't gained or lost any bodily structures or organs compared to our ancestors. If modern children were born able to run like newborn deer and zebras, we could confirm that humans are evolving. If the brains of monkeys and apes were similar to human brains in terms of learning, memory, and thinking, we could say humans evolved from monkeys. I will continue to discuss the issue of biological evolution in future chapters, especially in the greatest creator section of Life Chanyuan. Please think further about this topic.